Okay, let's go.
Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Mark and Anna.
Hi, friends. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we're going on a trip. Not a real one, but a language trip.
That's right. In this lesson, we'll learn English words and phrases about places, directions, and travel.
You'll learn how to ask where something is, how to understand directions, and how to talk about traveling to new places.
So grab your bag, passport, and imagination, and let's start our English adventure. Let's start with some common places we visit every day. Repeat after us.
Home. School.
Park.
Shop. Bank. Hospital. Bus station. Train station. Airport. Restaurant. Hotel. Library. Museum. Let's do that again. I am at home. I go to school. We are in the park. She is at the restaurant. He is in the library. Now you, listener, repeat each one. Excellent. You sound great already.
Now this part is really useful. How to ask for directions.
Yes, imagine you're in a new city and you want to find the nearest coffee shop. Here's what you say. Excuse me, where's the coffee shop? Repeat after me. Here are more ways to ask. Where is the bus stop? How can I get to the library? Is the park near here? Can you show me the way, please?
Great job. Now let's learn how to give directions.
Okay, listen and repeat. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. It's next to the bank. It's across from the school. It's behind the supermarket. It's in front of the bus stop.
Let's practice.
Okay, Mark, how do I get to the park?
Go straight, then turn left. The park is next to the school.
Thanks. And where is the supermarket?
It's across from the library.
Perfect. Now, dear listener, imagine you're asking for directions. Say, excuse me, where is the train station?
Now give an answer. Go straight and turn right.
You did it!
Now let's talk about travel, everyone's favorite topic.
Yes, traveling is exciting. You can visit new countries, try new food, and meet new people.
Let's learn some travel words. Repeat after us.
Plane. Train. Bus. Taxi. Ticket. Passport. Suitcase. Hotel. Beach. Mountain. City. Country. Let's make sentences. I want to travel by plane. I need a passport. We have 2 tickets. My suitcase is heavy. I love the beach.
Now you. Repeat each sentence.
Great!
Let's practice a real-life conversation.
Okay, I'm a tourist and you work at the hotel.
All right, let's start.
Excuse me, where's the train station?
Go straight and turn right. It's next to the museum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you traveling today?
Yes, I'm going to the airport.
Have a safe trip.
Now, listener, let's try. Say, excuse me, where is the bus stop? Good. Now answer, go straight, then turn left. Perfect.
Let's play a short travel game.
We'll give you a short story and you listen carefully and answer questions after.
Here we go. Hi, my name is Emma. Today I'm in Paris. I wake up in my hotel and go to the cafe for breakfast. I eat bread and drink coffee. Then I walk to the museum. It's next to the park. After that, I take a taxi to the airport because I'm flying to London. I love traveling.
Great story. Now let's see if you remember.
Question 1. Where is Emma today?
Paris.
Question 2. What does she eat for breakfast?
Bread and coffee.
Question 3. Where is the museum?
Next to the park.
Question 4. Where is she flying to?
London.
Perfect. Let's review everything we learned today.
We learned places, home, school, park, restaurant, directions, turn left, go straight, across from, behind, travel words, plane, ticket, passport, suitcase.
Let's test your memory quickly. Question 1. How do you say, go to the right?
Turn right.
Question 2. What do you need for a flight?
A passport and a ticket.
Question 3. Where is the bank?
It's next to the shop.
Excellent.
You did amazing today.
Yes, now you can ask for directions, talk about places, and even travel in English.
Practice these words every day. When you walk outside, look around and name what you see in English.
In the next lesson, we'll talk about time, routines, and making plans.
It's going to be so much fun.
Thank you for joining Everyday English with Mark and Anna, Lesson 3.
See you next time, friends.